Welcome everyone to the University of Northern Iowa. U.S. News and World Report has consistently ranked UNI as one of the top public universities in the Midwest for nearly 20 years. Located in beautiful Cedar Falls, Iowa, UNI combines everything you'd expect at a big university with the personal touch of a tight-knit community. The faculty and staff at UNI are committed to providing unparalleled support that directly translates into student success. UNI's graduation rates are nearly 20% higher than its national peers. Small class sizes combined with hands-on learning opportunities are among the many reasons so many UNI alums are thriving in their chosen fields. Add in Division I athletics, exceptional campus dining, a vibrant arts and entertainment scene, and it's easy to see why the University of Northern Iowa is such a popular college destination. I'm your host, Alex Boylan, and over the next half hour, we're gonna meet some very accomplished UNI students. You are gonna love them. Welcome to the University of Northern Iowa. This is the College Tour.